In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a button in a Tableau dashboard using a navigation object. The process is straightforward and will add an interactive element to your dashboard, enhancing user navigation and experience. First, let's get started by launching the Tableau app. If you haven't already opened it, locate the application on your computer and open it up. Once you're in Tableau, you'll want to access your worksheet. This is where all your data visualizations live, and you'll need to have a view ready for your dashboard. Once you've accessed your worksheet, navigate over to your dashboard. This is the canvas where you'll be piecing together your different visual elements. It's a versatile space where you can bring all your data to life through interactive elements like the button we're about to create. Now, to get started with adding your button, look over to the left side of your Tableau interface where you'll see the Objects menu. This menu contains various components you can use to embellish your dashboard. You're looking for the navigation object in this list. Once you've located the navigation object, it's as simple as dragging it over to your dashboard area. This action will place the navigation button onto your dashboard canvas. With the navigation button now in place, click on the drop-down menu that appears with the button. From here, you'll want to select Edit Button. This option allows you to customize the functionality of your button. Now you need to choose where you want this navigation button to lead once it is clicked. This could be another dashboard, a particular worksheet, or even an external URL, depending on what suits your needs best. Once you've decided on the navigation path, there's a bit of room for customization. You can change the button's color to match your dashboard theme. This is especially important to maintain a cohesive look and feel throughout your presentation. After choosing your color, make sure to click Apply and then OK to save your customizations. To test if your button works correctly, press the Alt key on your keyboard and then click the navigation button you've just created. This should instantly direct you to the location you've chosen for the button to navigate. This final step is crucial to ensure that your navigation button is functioning as intended, thereby providing a seamless experience for those interacting with your dashboard. And that's it! You've successfully added a navigation button to your Tableau dashboard, which will surely enhance the interactivity and user experience of your data presentation. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, adding features like these can significantly enrich your Tableau dashboards, making them not only more informative but also user-friendly.